Good morning. I'm so glad to see you this morning. I'm back today to talk to you a little bit about mindfulness breathing to music. But first, I want to ask, I hope you're keeping a journal of your experience. I know I am. And I have some really cool observations that I can really see it's working for me. I hope it's working for you. And I will share some of those observations in the near future. But this session is going to be a little longer than usual because we're going to actually breathe to one of my favorite songs by Nina Simone. It really helps me to focus and to ground. And this is just another technique I want to show you as we are trying to remain grounded and really help our mind to release some of that chatter and that wandering that it does. So, breathing to music combines the calming effect of mindfulness breathing with the soothing qualities of music that taps into our emotions. Now, this is powerful practice that can deepen. It can deepen our relaxation and enhance our focus. You know, mindfulness breathing to music involves paying attention to your breath while you inhale and exhale slowly and intentionally. Now, this helps you to stay present with the rhythm as you feel the sensations all throughout your body. I definitely feel it, and I hope you will too. I suggest listening to music that is generally soft music or instrumental, such as piano, saxophone, or any other music that moves you and soothes you through instruments. Don't forget your spiritual songs. I was actually listening to some old-fashioned gospel, and that really moves your soul as well. You can listen to nature sounds. I hear it now. The birds chirping, water running, or even the ocean. Another calming sound may be crickets. Listening to crickets on a nice hot summer night. I remember listening to crickets as a little girl, and I always felt, wow, warm, and it felt like home as my family surrounded me and the crickets are in the background. You know, using music as an anchor to stay grounded is similar to listening to your breath when we focus as we inhale 4 counts and exhale 7. I also want to share some of the benefits to music because it is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety because it definitely lowers the cortisol levels, which are stress hormones. When we pair this with deep breathing, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is how our body relaxes. It improves focus and presence because the music and rhythm can guide our breathing. You know, you hear the rhythm of the music and you get lost in it. It improves our focus and presence. It supports better sleep because the calming music and breath work before bed can actually quiet the mind and promote a restful sleep. And finally, it increases self-awareness, body connection, because not only are you listening and getting lost in the music as it pairs with your breath, you become more in tune with how your body feels and how your emotions shift while building compassion, patience, and acceptance of the present moment. So there are many benefits to breathing with music.